Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Porter's generic strategies. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use these strategies to gain a competitive advantage in your industry. Let's get started. Porter's generic strategies, developed by Michael Porter, are frameworks for achieving competitive advantage. They help companies decide how to position themselves in the market. The three main strategies are cost leadership, differentiation, and focus, which is further divided into cost focus and differentiation focus. First, let's discuss cost leadership. This strategy aims to become the lowest cost producer in the industry. By minimizing costs and maximizing efficiency, companies can offer lower prices than competitors, attracting price-sensitive customers. Example: Walmart is a classic example of cost leadership. By streamlining operations and leveraging economies of scale, Walmart offers the lowest prices on a wide range of products. Next is differentiation. This strategy focuses on offering unique products or services that stand out from competitors. The goal is to provide something that customers perceive as valuable and distinct, justifying a premium price. Example: Apple exemplifies differentiation. With its innovative technology, sleek design, and ecosystem integration, Apple products are seen as unique and desirable, allowing the company to charge higher prices. The third strategy is focus. This involves targeting a specific market niche. Companies can pursue a cost focus or differentiation focus within their chosen segment, catering to the unique needs of that particular group. Cost focus aims to be the lowest cost producer within a specific market segment. This strategy targets niche markets where customers are highly price sensitive. Example: a local discount grocery store chain targeting budget-conscious shoppers in a specific region, offering products at lower prices than national chains. Differentiation focus aims to offer unique products or services within a specific market segment. This strategy targets niche markets where customers value specialized offerings. Example: a boutique coffee shop that sources rare, high-quality beans and offers a premium, personalized coffee experience to coffee enthusiasts in an urban neighborhood. Porter's generic strategies help companies identify the best approach to gain a competitive edge. Cost leadership and differentiation target broad markets, while focus strategies target narrow segments. Understanding each strategy allows you to choose the right path based on your strengths and market conditions. To illustrate, let's consider the automotive industry. A company like Toyota, known for its efficient production and affordable cars, follows a cost leadership strategy. BMW, with its luxury and performance vehicles, follows a differentiation strategy. A niche electric vehicle manufacturer catering to eco-conscious consumers with unique high-end designs follows a differentiation focus strategy. That's Porter's generic strategies, a set of strategic options to achieve and maintain competitive advantage. By understanding and applying these strategies, you can effectively position your company for success in the market. Thanks for watching. I hope this video clarified Porter's generic strategies for you. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Stay competitive and strategic.